Life is a journey. Just like a traveler who sets out on a journey with a destination in mind, Yutong too has goals and aspirations. We strive to shape the world through sustainable transport solutions. Looking back on 2023, we kept challenging ourselves to realize people's green dream. We have kept constantly innovating in science and technology, more economical, more durable, more convenient. Delivery of Yutong's electric commercial vehicles has exceeded 180,000 units globally. We work in close cooperation with customers to drive quality of life for people with safe, smart, reliable, and truly sustainable high-end buses and transport solutions. Green product, green travel, green future. We always put safety first. Our buses feature superior environmental performance to ensure travel safety. We're not just focusing on buses. We've also been devoting ourselves to improve the capacity of drivers. We have a vision of net zero cities, build cleaner and even more efficient cities of the future. Goodbye to the wonderful experiences in 2023. Hello to the infinite possibilities in 2024. Thank you for accompanying us in the past. Invite you to continue our journey in the new year. By nature, for nature. We think we move. We think we do. Let us together go green in 2024.